Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? And welcome back. My name is Hussain and I'm back again to bring you all this week review and also the updates how you're going to actually plan ahead your week for this week, right? How we're going to look for the setups, how we're going to do our some sort of fundamental analysis, all in all to be combined together to make this week a very profitable week. So first of all, before you start any week when it comes to trading or financial markets, right, there are a few things that you need to look into. So I have actually listed down the top 5 things that you need to know in a way to plan your week ahead. First of all, it is always recommended for you to look into your economic calendar, to check on what are the major events that are actually happening and how you can actually see which event will be the most volatile event that will be impacting or dominating the forex or stock market. All right, then you also need to look into daily and weekly candle close. All right, daily and weekly candle close, it gives you the clue how the week has been, how the day by day the market has been on your desired market that you wish to actually to find out. Right, so I will be sharing with you in a short while about that. And also you need to see what are the pattern and setups on the charts that has had me happening and how the previous week was, and how you can plan ahead your upcoming week with the existing pattern that is lying on the charts, right? You also need to keep watching our London sessions forecast. This is a very powerful and useful analysis program that we have started recently, and it will be really helping you to improve your trading, to understand the market, to understand the price section in a professional manner, and definitely over a period of time it will be helping you to become a profitable trader. Well, not only that, you also need to read news, stay informed, such as you gotta watch out Bloomberg. You can always go to Daily Effects, you can always go to investing.com, or you can always gather information when it comes to fundamental analysis. There's tons of news going on. You can always watch it out on CNBC itself. But no worries if you guys do not have much time to gather those news from time to time. We are always giving you the updates. We are always posting the news in our VIP channel, and as well as we're also sharing with you day-to-day performances, day-to-day forecast in our forecast videos, and also our in our channel, and also we're giving you in the London session. All right, so these are the few things that you need to keep yourself informed before you start the week. For example, it's Monday today, and it's how you can actually start out your week. So for example, as for now, I will be bringing you to the economic calendar, whereby let's just check it out. What are the current events that are actually happening within this week, and how you can actually look into and plan ahead your trades. So first of all, we have got Monday, lazy Monday a bit, I would say that, not much data coming out, but we have got from the Aussie RBA meeting minutes, that's the one, and then what we see is that the claimant count, which is related to the employment numbers from the Great Britain, that will be a market moving data, will be having a direct impact on the pound dollar and also other kinds of. We have got retail sales coming up from United States, as well as industrial production. This could be market moving news that will be impacting on all the major currency pairs, a little bit on the stocks as well, and also on the gold. Well, because gold and dollar, they have got inverse, and then we inverse relationship. So for now, we also have got Fed Chair Powell testimony once again. I believe he's going to give clue and also going to talk about the economical situation in the United States. And as well as we have got on Wednesday 17th of June 2020 retail sales and consumer price index coming up from England. So this will be having I see a volatile impact on the pound dollar, and also directly on the pound, which will be having an impact on the pound related pairs. Bank of Canada Consumer Price Index, which has got a direct relation with the Central Bank of Canada, that will also be released on the particular day, 17th of June. This will be also moving USD CAD in a volatile manner. Then Thursday we have got initial jobless claims, and also Aussie unemployment rate, and also the changing the number of employment. This is all related to employment. This will be having a very good impact, major impact on the Aussie. right? Then we have got Bank of England interest rate decisions, very volatile. Even they are going to release Bank of England minutes, which will be all about economic projection. We see that the GDP is going to be going down in the next year, at least up to 12%, but we see that the risk is to the downside for this one. So however, we will see that how the pound is going to react within this week, and what is our price action analysis forecast for that. Initial jobless claims is expected to go lower as the time goes by. They're getting lower and lower, so this will be also having an impact on the dollar. Then we have a Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey, and on Friday we also have got retail sales from England once again, retail sales from Canada once again, right? So all of these will be market moving data that will be impacting on the FX market. Now what we're going to do is that let's just check it out on price action analysis, how our major currency pairs. So if I see that for euro dollar, our focus for this week is to the downside, all right, because it has been overbought, and I see that it's gonna a little bit perhaps go a bit up, and then we're gonna see this pair to be falling down. All right, so all in all, it's gonna be bearish. USD CHF, for USD CHF, we see that it might be gonna retrace a bit down, but then again the focus is to the upside, all right, up till here at least. All right, so we will see more room to the upside for USD Swiss franc. GBP USD has got a lot of events coming up this week which will be driving this pair, but when I see on technical analysis, right, price action tells you the actual story. That's what we're looking at, more room to the downside for pound dollar, right? So here you go. So that's what we see that because when I see on daily close on the candle, as you could see here, there has been past few days there has been a spinning top, then a Marubozu, then again spinning top, and then I see that this pair will be falling down, right, at least to these levels. However, we have got tons of events which is related to pound, which will drive this pair to the downside. USD Canadian, I see it has room to the upside, all right, at least to this zone, all right. So we're gonna see a short-term pull up on this, then probably we're gonna see a structure changes over here, all right. So but overall, but for now, I see that for this week we're gonna see a bit of correction here, might be just going down, and then might be then it's making a pattern of going up. Aussie dollar, for Aussie dollar we have we can see that this pair is also planning to go down, probably gonna go up a bit, and then we will see more room to the downside for this pair, all right. And some of the stocks we will be doing analysis within the week later on, perhaps on Wednesday, right? So all in all, this is this week review and also forecast on some of the currency. We see that on short-term basis, US dollar will be strengthening. Let me just do a quick review on the forecast for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. What we could be expecting, I will see that it has retraced a bit, came down from its all-time last 2 weeks highs, but I see that here there is a possibility for it to come down a bit perhaps, and then we'll see towards the end of the week for this to go up, all right. So stay tuned. I still see that the worst is over, and most on the high likelihood side is that the more is to risk to the buy side. So no worries, we're just gonna hold some of our positions on the stocks and remain as a buy, because we will see a bit of a correction here, and that's where when you connect these higher lows, it gives you the confirmation of a bullish trend, or a recovery bullish trend remains intact, right? So that's what we will be seeing here, and then that's what we're going to look for, a nice move to the upside, right? So that's all for today, guys. This is just a weekly review to share with you on how you can actually plan ahead your week, and also how you will be restructuring or planning in advance in a way to make your week profitable, right? Well, no worries, our analysis doesn't end here. We just started our week. We will be having London sessions, right? And we will be also having our focus videos to give you more support in a way to understand the market and always to keep yourself educated towards the financial markets. Right? I will be signing off for now. All right. Have a profitable week, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Thank you very much. Take care, and see you again.